Hi, my name is Andrew Masters and I'm an analyst at fibogroup. In this video, we'll talk about quotations and their kinds. Forex is based on various quotations. You often see many figures but don't really understand what they mean. Well, a quotation is the expression of one currency value in the monetary unit of another currency. That's what they say about the currency pairs, because one currency is evaluated with the help of another. For example, we have a nice pink piglet. This is the base currency and our commodity, and money is the other currency. At what price one is ready to buy our piglet. So quotations can be direct and indirect as well as cross rates. Direct quotation is the expression of one currency value in US dollars. That is, we pay for our piglet in American currency. For example, the US dollar Swiss franc, US dollar Japanese yen, and US dollar Canadian dollar. The first currency is the base and the second currency is the quote. We can see that in all quotations, the dollar is in the first place. We've cleared up the direct quotations. Let's talk about the indirect ones. The indirect one is the exception to the rules. The exception concerns only for currencies Euro, British Pound, Sterling, Australian and New Zealand dollar. We can see that they are not quote but base currency in pair with the dollar. Cross rates remain to be talked about. In order to cover the complete picture, these are the mathematical established relationship of one currency to the other through the US dollar. That is, there is no US dollar in these currency pairs. The principle remains the same, but in pair, one currency is the base, namely our piglet, and the other is the quote, namely the amount of money we are ready to spend in order to buy our commodity. You will often hear that the pound sterling has dropped against the US dollar by 5 points. We understand what the dollar cent is. What's the point? Point is a change in the asset value by 1 in the last character. For example, euro dollar was worth $1.13 and is now worth 1.130 US dollars. This is called that the euro has raised against the dollar by 1 point. Pip is the synonym of the term point. The meaning is the same. In all currency pairs, the point is the fourth decimal digit. The yen is the only exception. During its quotation, it's having only 2 decimal digits, so the change in the yen value is the second decimal digit will be a point to make easy to calculate the significant changes. Such terms as a pattern that covers 100 points and a big pattern that covers 1,000 points. Let's see how to calculate the point value. In direct quotation, the point value is calculated according to the following formula. Lot to be multiplied by point and divided by the exchange rate in indirect quotation that the point value constant. Lot to be multiplied by point. When lot is 0.1, the point is always $10. When lot is 001, the point value is $1. Please continue to watch this video course and you will learn what to do with the obtained quotations.